Marine life, plants, animals, and other organisms that live in the ocean, sea, or any saline water body are known as marine life. Here are some marine organisms. Fish. Fish that live in ocean water are called marine fish. They live in large groups. Fish are a class aquatic vertebrates. A fish is an animal which lives and breathes in water. All fish are vertebrates and most breathe through gills and have fins and scales. Seal. Seal is a carnivorous semi-aquatic mammal that usually feeds on fish, squid, shellfish, crustaceans, and other sea birds. Seals mainly live in the water. They only come ashore to mate, give birth, molt, or escape from predators such as orca, whales, and sharks. They have no legs, instead, they have 4 flippers. Dolphins. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals that live in water but breathe through a blowhole on the top of their head. They are remarkable creatures that have developed a form of sonar called echolocation to hunt and prey. They are very friendly and playful. They mostly eat fish and squid. Penguin. They are flightless birds who love to swim in the icy ocean water. But penguins fulfill all the biological characteristics of birds. They have feathers, they lay eggs, and they are warm-blooded. Penguins spend half of their life on land and the other half in water. Sea turtles. They prefer warm seas and stay in shallow coastal areas like lagoons and bays. Sea turtles are from the animal class of reptile. This means they are cold-blooded. They have scaly skin, breathe air, and lay eggs. Shells. Sea shells are the external skeletons of a class of marine animals called mollusks. People and mammals have their skeleton on inside of their body, but mollusks have their skeletons on the outside. Sea shells are primarily made of calcium. Shells protect the creatures from predators, strong currents, and storms. Oyster. The oyster is a sessile mollusk, meaning it is immobile, that is commonly found clinging onto shipwrecks, debris, and harbor walls around the world. Oysters are bivalve mollusks, meaning that they are closely related to other animals such as scallops, clams, and mussels. Seahorse. It is an upright fish. They have a horse-shaped head with a long snout and a puckered mouth. They swim using the dorsal fins on their back and turn using the pectoral fins on either side of their heads. Crab. Crabs are crustaceans with 10 legs. The front pair of legs have strong gripping claws on the end. The remaining 8 are used for walking. Crabs can creep forward very slowly but prefer to scuttle sideways because they can move much quicker that way. Starfish. They are marine invertebrates. They typically have a central disc and usually 5 arms. Though some species have a large number of arms, the arboreal or upper surface may be smooth, granular, or spicy and is covered with overlapping plates. Lobster. Lobsters are a family of large marine crustaceans. Lobsters have long bodies with muscular tails and live in crevices. 3 of their 5 pairs of legs have claws. Lobsters can swim forward and backward. Sea snakes. Sea snakes are venomous snakes that live in the warm Indian and Western Pacific Oceans and are related to cobras. Their body is flatter than a snake that lives on land, and their tail is also flat, like a built-in paddle that helps push them through the water. Shark. Sharks are large fish that have a skeleton made up of cartilage. They live in salt water all over the world, and as carnivores, they eat fish and other animals using their sharp teeth and powerful jaws. A shark's sense of smell is powerful. It allows them to find prey from hundreds of yards away. Killer whale. These are toothed whales and is the largest member of the dolphin family. These large marine mammals are easily distinguished by their black and white coloration. They are found in all oceans. They are among the fastest swimming marine mammals. Squid. Squid are remarkable ocean predators. These invertebrates are mollusks just like snails, but they do not have protective outer shells. They have a tube-shaped body and a small rod-like internal shell called a pen. Squid have 2 tentacles that are longer than its arms. Thresher. Thresher sharks are fairly slender with small dorsal fins and large recurved pectoral fins. With the exception of the bi-eye thresher, these sharks have relatively small eyes. Coloration ranges from brownish, bluish or purplish grey dorsally with lighter shades ventrally. Thanks for watching. See you again.